the Green Industry and Equipment Expo's outdoor demo area. Wow, check this out. There are over 19 acres of outdoor exhibits and thousands of pieces of new equipment for you to try before you buy.
This is perfect. This is what I love coming out here on this, the largest field day in the world when it comes to tractors. You name it, man, they got it all.
The outdoor space is something that really is unique to the show in itself. Getting hands-on, whether it's a tool, a riding mower, or any other type of equipment, to actually go out there and physically interact with the equipment makes the show very unique.
I think the biggest benefit I see is people get to try products. If people want to try competitive products, other products, you can do it all here in one day.
Test drive, get under the hood, and inspect the engines of all of this equipment right here in the outdoor demo area. Let's do it!